Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about, this is why YouTube video SEO is important. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax, get ready to start living the life of your dreams, and enjoy the video. For more information about this is why YouTube video SEO is important, head over to my website and sign up for my weekly newsletter. For signing up today you get my free ebook about lead generation for beginners. The link to my website is in the description box. So don't delay, sign up today. This is why YouTube video SEO is important. It's true, and you should be putting some time into it, as a lot of other business owners are. Video on the internet is not limited to blogs or websites with social media. Video is also being viewed on websites where you wouldn't expect it. But what is YouTube? You can get your videos viewed through your website. So why is video SEO important? Because the fact that it's being viewed as information. Not only does that information to provide new content, but it provides link juice to your site and products or services. The more sites are viewing your video, the more they can link back to your website or blog. Just think about it. Before you begin implementing YouTube video SEO, you need to create your video. Just imagine how many things can go wrong and make it unusable. Your nerves from watching YouTube video SEO, your mouse, maybe it gets out of hand. Now you have your video, here are some things you can do. Always make sure that you put a copyright notice, and make sure the video does not include any visual depictions of obscenity or violence. If you can think of any visual depictions of these things, leave them out of your video, too. Video on the internet has to meet the following regulations. First off, the video must have title tags of your brand name or website name. If there are subtitles within the video, this information must be contained within the first two title tags of the video. Then you have to make sure that the text links contained within the video have the correct domain names for your website. Without this information, viewers will find themselves redirected to the same site where they downloaded the video. You don't have to worry about the YouTube video SEO getting in the way of search engine optimization. It is one of those things that you can both benefit from. However, if the website with the video gets links to other pages that may have been created by you, it could be seen as spam. If you want to achieve YouTube video SEO, you have to make sure that your videos have a proper rating. Without a proper rating, Google has to be convinced that your videos are indeed being watched, and not just people posting videos of cats. So you see, as long as you use the correct methods, you can both get traffic to your website and ensure that the videos you upload to YouTube are watched. And don't forget, making a video that receives high ratings online can increase your website's traffic as well. This is why YouTube video SEO is important for your business. This is why YouTube video SEO is important for the growth of your business. If you want to increase the number of viewers to your videos, then YouTube video SEO is a must for you. The reason being that YouTube videos are still not that popular with the average person. In fact, only 9% of all online viewers watch YouTube videos. It's because YouTube video SEO is the key to getting more viewers and hence, more customers. The first thing you need to do is make videos that are useful to your targeted market, and therefore, YouTube video SEO is important. You have to choose your keywords carefully. Select keywords that your viewers would use when searching for other things online. You can find these keywords by creating a list of your target market. After you have this list, create videos that describe your products or services. For example, if you have a video about a specific product or service, then make a video that describes what the product or service does and why they need it. By doing this, you are basically telling your viewers how they can benefit from what you are selling. Videos also play a big role in YouTube video SEO. They help get your videos up in the most viewed videos section on YouTube. So the first place people go after they watch your video is the most viewed videos on YouTube. It gives them more exposure and it shows potential customers that you really know what you are talking about. Thanks for watching my video about this is why YouTube video SEO is important. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video. So don't delay, sign up today to my weekly newsletter.